Nowadays, we are more open-minded. One day, we ourselves or our parents will eventually pass away, be it due to old age or otherwise. The final expenses will normally be borne by our family members and loved ones. In Chinese tradition, the final expenses can be a big burden to our family members. Instead of forking out a lump sum of money, when that time comes, we can choose to set aside that amount of money monthly or yearly in preparation of the inevitable. HLA Prime Protect Gold is an insurance plan specially designed for individuals aged 40 to 70. No medical checkup is required for those who has hypertension, diabetes, kidney failure, cancer, or even in your life insurance application has been rejected in the past are able to apply for Prime Protect Gold. However, if the death occurs in the first 2 years due to non-accidental causes, Prime Protect Gold refunds you the premium that you had paid. If death occurs from the 3rd year onwards, for example, if a person signs up the 100,000 plan and passes away due to non-accidental cause, 100,000 will be payable to his family members. If he passes away due to accident in between age 40 to 65, additional 300,000 will be payable to his family members, bringing the total to 400,000. If he passes away due to accident in between age 66 to 80, additional 150,000 will be payable to his family members, making the total 250,000. At the age of 80, HLA returns 110% of the total premium paid upon policy maturity. Mr. So-and-so, which amount do you think is sufficient to prepare for final expenses? 50,000